Thin bins are BPA-free silicone food storage containers that come in assorted colors and sizes. Each container collapses down to 1/3 its original size and are stackable, saving you more than double the storage space in your kitchen. Snap-on lids creates an airtight, leak-proof seal that'll keep your food secured and fresher longer. Thin bins are temperature resistant, so you can microwave straight from the fridge. Just pull up on the air valve or remove the lid before heating. You can eat or serve a meal right out of your thin bins. When you're done, just pop the lid on the leftovers, collapse it down, and it can go straight into your fridge or freezer. The non-stick silicone makes cleanup easy. Just hand wash or place in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. Now available in square, round, and extra large.